stay here for 6 days.
Oh.
Yeah, so it's quite cool. Yeah, but we gotta pick her up.
Your sister?
My sister.
Oh,
yeah,
really?
she's 36.
36.
36, you know, she's almost as old as old Tricky Dicky. You know.
How old?
Actually, are you older than my older sister?
I don't know.
That's a
Yeah.
like worry. Eh?
What?
How old's my 33?
Oh yeah, 33.
34 and 47.
57.
Oh yeah.
67?
Oh my god.
That's bro. Teagues, we're gonna,
110 now.
we're gonna beat up Maya, aren't we? You're gonna beat up Maya?
150? 500,000? Alright. We're out here, bro. Can you look after Tikas? Tikas, you look like you're kind of being a bit flirtatious tonight. You reckon?
Bro, so yeah, Teagues is yeah.
No big deal? He's a funny kid, eh? Tikas? Shoot, Dan, give him some temptations, bro. Tikas, you want these?
Whoa, hey, Teagues.
Jackpot time? Yum. Holy smokes. 10 little fishies. Yummy.
Like when I see him eat them, he never eats them.
Oh, Maya, do you want to do a challenge? Are you ready for this? Dan filmed this, okay?
Alright.
So Maya, this is a challenge. Everyone in New Zealand does this.
Really?
Challenge once a year, right? So you have to rock off. Whoever loses a rock off between 3 people has to eat 1 piece of cat food. You have to like chew on it, okay? It's fine. It's
Yeah.
healthy. But
Yeah.
whoever loses the rock off has to like eat it.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll do rock off. So we'll go 1, 2, and then on 3. Okay? You guys ready? 1, 2, 3. Dan, you lost, bro.
No, I thought it's a winner.
It's only one
Oh,
bit, bro.
okay, fine.
You have to chew on it too.
Oh man. Oh shit.
You eat?
Yeah, it's a game.
No, didn't you spit it out?
No, I ate
You
it.
promise?
I promise. Yeah.
Was it tasty?
Yeah, it was like a little bit like fish, or yeah.
It's probably quite healthy, yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
It's got less than 2 calories. It's got protein, fat, fiber,
Yeah.
moisture, and ash, bro.
Oh yeah, that's
Yeah.
pretty good. See, look, Tex thinks it's good as well.
Well, it's got chicken meal, pea flour, tapioca, salmon, pea
Gluten
protein.
free?
It's got cat liver,
Cat liver.
mouse feces.
Really?
Yeah.
He's making that up.
Did you eat?
Yeah, it's pretty
It's
good.
got mouse poo in it. Oh.
Yeah. Oh, whatever.
Cats like eating mice, you know, so they put a bit of mouse poo too. Oh, you crazy, bro.
See? Oh, he
See,
eating.
Tex loves
He's eating
it.
all that mouse poo, bro. Oh.
I think Tick will be kiss you.
Oh yeah.
You smell is like same.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
Yes. That's why you can friend.
Or Tex already my friend. Like you're the one that needs to be.
Smell his lips. Okay, fuck, you guys eating the same food as me, eh?
Hey, Maya, you're the one that needs to be Tex's friend. Like you just.
That's so funny, bro. You ate a bit of cat food.
Bro, it wasn't too bad.
Now the next
Bro, I
one,
thought.
you know, the wet
Oh
cat
yeah.
food, if you lose-
No, it's in between you two now. It's in between you
No,
two.
that's it, bro. Game's finished, eh?
Nah. What?
Game's finished, bro.
Oh, I don't want to eat the fish. Cat food.
That's pretty good. Maya, it's pretty good food, you know.
Because you. See?
Did he eat it?
No.
What?
Did you not eat it, bro? Seriously? Dad? Dad, you have to eat it, bro.
Yeah, sweet as, bro. Sweet.
Did you eat it?
Nah.
What a cheat, eh?
They're gonna beat me up
Such
now.
a cheat.